My name is Anna, and I have my hair wrap on today because I will be going into the kitchen to assist the amazing Chef Doris. She injured her hand and needs a little bit of assistance, so I'm just going to be snipping a few of my herbs to bring to her today because I love to pick her brain to find out ideas on what she would do with herbs such as this purple basil. So today we'll be talking herbs on Tasty Thursdays with Anna. Helping hands in the kitchen is so wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah, mainly if you have two hands instead just one.
Oh my goodness.
It's coming along nicely.
Doris, it's always wonderful hanging out with
You
you.
can never have too many friends.
Never.
How long? No, it's fun hanging out with me. All you have to do is work.
We can change that.
What's that?
How's that?
That's
Is
good.
this a good size?
Love it, yes.
Doris, I love your perfection in the kitchen.
Sorry.
No, that's a good thing.
Doris, you bring such precision to the kitchen. It's an honor and a privilege to hang out with you.
Well, for the last 40 years I've always said it's my name at the end that's on there. So I want to be as good as I can.
Well, exactly.
So Doris, I picked these herbs out of my garden, and what do you think? Let's talk herbs.
I think they look beautiful. There will be a nice medley of herbs if you dry them eventually.
Yes,
and mix them together. They would make a nice combination for, let's say, stuffing for your turkey. Lavender, be nice to make some dessert with it, or also for the tea, which we love. Of course, basil. I love basil in everything, and it smells so good. And tomato and basil and some soft mozzarella cheese. There's nothing better in the world than that with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Wonderful, wonderful. Sage dries very well. What I do is I get a little bit bigger things, and then I put them all together upside down, put the string on it and hang it up somewhere in the kitchen and let it dry, and you smell it while you're in the kitchen as well. And when it's dry, I crumble them up and use it for winter cooking. Anna gave me some lemon balm the other week, and I dried it out, and I'm using it now in eggs, and it's so wonderful because you can taste the lemon really well.
There's some there.
I just lay it out on a towel on my kitchen counter and let it dry, and every morning I turn it over and it dries nicely, and then I just crumble it up.
That's how I do it. Excellent. Thank you, Doris. I love learning from you.
You're welcome anytime. I'm still learning too, you know.
I will
I
always.
always said I have so much more to learn, and that's why I'm still doing it, because I'm enjoying it.
Cool.
There we go.
Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen.
Oh, thanks for coming and hanging out with me.
And I'll fill this for you for next time. Awesome.
We got a lot done.
We did. I get to hang out with the chef in the morning and now the food grower at night.
There's basil seed growing here.
Oh,
So I'm just taking the seed right from the plant and just putting some basil in.
Okay, more
So,
basil
yeah.
for Chef Doris, because
So we're
guess
gonna
what
have
she
lots
loves?
of basil and microgreens
Yes.
and lettuces, and I put some strawberries in here, and there's lavender, and there's rosemary, and there's thyme, and there's sage.
Yes.
There's also cucumbers growing in here that I planted later in the season.
We've got some grapes. Maybe Doris can
And
help me
grapes.
learn to make some wine.